So we have a drawing of this rectangular park with a scale of 1 inch equals 200 feet. So what that means is that for every inch on the drawing, it is 200 feet in real life. So real life, that's what the park actually is. So we know that one of the sides here on this square is 1 foot long, and this is on the drawing. Now on the drawing we're working with inches over here, so we need to change this 1 foot to inches. So we know that there are 12 inches in a foot. So now when we're working with this, we understand that if we have a drawing where 1 inch equals 200 feet, if I have 1 inch, to be able to figure out how many of those inches are going to be on the drawing, 12 inches, make sure that that gets in there rightly, 12 inches, we know we're going to multiply by 12. And you have to do the same thing to the 200 feet. We have the 200 feet here. We're going to multiply that by 12 so we can figure out how many it actually is in real life. And 12 times 200 is 2,400 feet, but we're just going to type in 2,400 into assessments.